Hello friends, I just wanted to give a quick shout out to Ruane's channel here. I came across him recently and he has some really great looking builds and he's got tons of experience and he gives some really good tips. He does a wide variety of stuff, everything from models to RC planes. Looks like some slot car stuff too, so lots to check out over there. Not a whole lot of content yet, but let's give him some encouragement and see if we can get him some subs. I will leave a link to his channel in the description below, so be sure to check it out. Also, if you haven't already, please like, please subscribe, and check out my t-shirt shop and my coffee page. Those links are also down in the description. So I hope everyone's having a great day, and as always, be safe out there and go build something.